Magic of organized agribusiness. The taste of traditional cuisines. This is a success story of empowerment of women by the intervention of Jaika Agriculture Project. It shows how the empowered women of a self-help group successfully organized an agribusiness of a food court. This live kitchen enterprises spreading the taste of traditional cuisines, leaving indelible flavors on customers and wider smiles on the members of the women running the agribusiness enterprise at Sundarnagar in Mandi district of Himachal Pradesh. Jaika Agriculture Project developed the strategy in 2024 to mobilize retail outlet facility and capacitate the SHGs together. As a result of motivation and orientation meetings by the project, the facility was provided to the SHG. Motivated by the Jaika Agriculture Project, some self-help group took the initiative to converge other SHGs having common interest to run a food court and a retail shop at Sundarnagar. During phase 1 of the HP Crop Diversification Promotion Project, funded by the Jaika ODA, 22 collection centers were built, and at some places, the retail outlets were also built. The Sundarnagar-based retail center was one among those that was made operational, roping in the cluster of self-help group in March 2024.
एक नई अच्छी चीज़ जो हमने उनके साथ करी वो लाइव किचन की है, जिसको आप फूड कोर्ट बोल सकते हैं। तो लाइव किचन का जो ट्रायल है वो भी लेट लास्ट ईयर शुरू किया था और आज की डेट में वो काफ़ी सफल हुआ है हमारा।
The retail center falls in the Chamyatar Khad to Mansai sub-project is located near the government establishments in the Sundarnagar town of Mandi district. Taking the responsibility of operations and management of the retail center, the Sheetla self-help group came forward seeking consent from the associated SHGs. The members of the SHG and associated groups mainly prepare agricultural traditional food products, maintaining the quality. During September 2024, the leading SHG introduced freshly made cuisines prepared from millets and other traditional farm produce, thus converting the retail center as the food court, a live kitchen setup. This food court attracted regular customers with bubbling response. The taste of the traditional food and local products is enjoyed by 50 to 60 customers daily, which has been sending the pleasant vibes of soaring income to the SHGs involved in running the business. The traditional food grains, that is millets, and other grains, pulses, etc., are cultivated using natural farming technology in the villages. The Jaika Agriculture Project has also laid out 45 demonstrations of finger millets covering 42.3 hectare area during Kharif 2024 and produced 188.86 quintals of coarse grain. Coming back to the traditional cuisines, which are made from millet flour and traditional farm produce including the multi-grain kachori and siddu, bhalla of mash dal, kodra tea, milk tea, black tea with lime, kodra laddus, multigrain laddus, nuggets, the makki ki roti made from the flour grounded in the water mills called gharats, sags, rice and barley. The cuisines are served with pickles and freshly made chutneys. The SHGs are also supplying different products like Sira Badiya, Seepu Badiya, biscuits, pickles, chutneys, handicraft products like bangles, decorative articles made from local material, cushions, candles, soap, etc. As the food court is located in front of the several offices, the employees and visitors from Judicial Complex, Civil Hospital, ATMA project, police station, and of course the students have started tasting the sumptuous and healthy traditional food products at the food court. The female rural women members from the farming families associated with the Sheetla SHG volunteered to serve and manage the retail outlet on a regular or weekly basis. Of course, the JICA Agriculture Project gave trainings for their capacity building and maintaining records. The efficient management and service with a smile by the members of SHG made steady progress and improved the quality of food products, resulting in more footfall here.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम रक्षा देवी है और मैं बल्ल ब्लॉक बैरी गांव की रहने वाली हूं और मैं KBM डिस्ट्रिक्ट मंडी में प्रेसिडेंट भी हूं और जायका वालों ने हमें ट्रेनिंग्स भी दी है, जैसे फूड प्रोसेसिंग की। यहां पर कुकिंग भी कर रहे हैं, जैसे कि मिलेट्स के मल्टीग्रेन सिड्डू, मल्टीग्रेन कचौड़ी और कोदरे की। स्पेशली यहाँ पर लोग कोदरे की चाय पीने भी आते हैं। जायका से जुड़कर हमें काफ़ी लाभ हुआ है और मेरे साथ आजकल जो आज का जो रन कर रहे हैं, कम से कम 25 और 30 के करीब जो मेरे साथ ग्रुप्स हैं वो काम कर रहे हैं। और मेरे पास जो पीछे काम करती है लेडीजें, 100 तक वो लेडीजें भी हैं जो काम कर रही है, जो हमें सामान बना कर दे रही हैं और हम लोग यहाँ पर इसको सेल कर रहे हैं।
Understanding trade secret, the promoter self-help group sought support from 7 different SHGs of the district, benefiting the 85 farmers' families. As many as 4 new SHGs benefiting 45 farmers' families, 3 from Mandi and 1 from Bilaspur district have also joined in the venture. The SHG already associated with the food court and sales center include Shagun, Shakrani, Shivam, Om, Lakshmi, Baba Balaknath and Aditya self-help groups. Later Mitali, Sanvi, Mannat and Nidhi self-help groups were also recently roped in. The traditional food court is organized and run by leaders of the Sheetla SHG. The leading organizer Raksha Devi from the Sheetla SHG is a reckoning force behind organizing the food court of traditional cuisines, resides in a small house in the village Koti, which comes under post office range of Mera Masit of Bal Tehsil in district Mandi of Himachal Pradesh. Raksha is equally skilled in her domestic work and takes care of her 2 children well before and after her work at food court in Sundarnagar. The members of Sheetla SHG have its base in village Behri of Tehsil Bal district Mandi, bring some processed food items daily and reach the retail center before 9 a.m. daily at the food court. The sales center is open till 5:30, allowing the members to leave the center by 6:30 p.m. The daily sale of the food and other products and produce by the SHG is between Rs 3,500 and Rs 5,000. And the totally monthly sale has touched Rs 1,25,000 now. JICA Sri Lankan delegation visited this food court in Himachal Pradesh to learn success of women's economic empowerment during the middle of 2024. This JICA delegation appreciated the intervention of the project and patted the SHGs working at Sundarnagar facility for their remarkable replicable design of the agri-entrepreneurship.
और ये एक ऐसा टेस्टिमोनियल है हमारा कि महिला समूह जो है जो ट्रेनिंग्स लेते हैं वो अगर प्रदेश के लोकल उत्पाद को एक अच्छे तरीके से कंज्यूमर्स को प्रस्तुत करें तो उनकी आमदनी जो है वो कई गुना बढ़ जाएगी। तो इस तरह का जो ये ट्रायल था हमारा, इसको हम और आगे प्रोलिफरेट करें, इसके ऊपर भी परियोजना आगे काम करेगी।
This is the beginning of building agri-business linkage in phase 2 of the JICA Agriculture Project, amidst the tough competitive open market hustles. The women of SHGs have empowered at Sundarnagar have shown the magic of running an agri-business enterprise with a difference, showcase the path of women's self-reliance and empowered to empower others in the vicinity.